So, we're on lesson 2. Welcome to lesson 2. We are going to talk today about 3 really important key words. You're going to record the terms that I share with you. Down I have 3 vocabulary words. We've got partition, equal area, and unit fraction. Okay? So first I'm going to talk about partition. So what does it mean to partition? It's just kind of like a fancy word for split up or break up. So for example, I have gummy bears. I've got 4 of them right here. And if I were to partition them, then I would split them up into equal parts or shares. So maybe I want to keep 2 and I'm going to give 2 away. So I will make 2 groups. Okay? We've done this before, made equal groups. We have 2 equal groups. Oops, one's gone now. But if we were to partition the gummy bears, we're going to split them up into equal parts or shares. Now let's talk about maybe a rectangle. You can partition a shape as well. Remember, they have to be split into equal parts or shares. So let's split this into fourths. So I like to split it in the middle first, especially since it's an even number. Let's split it into fourths. Okay. So there's 1/4, 2/4, 3. And then I'll make a 4th part. 1. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4 equal parts. So a partition means to split up into equal parts or shares. Okay, next one. Our next vocabulary word is equal area. Okay, so with equal area, our next word is equal area. So equal area is parts or shapes that have the same amount of space inside, as in measured units. So equal area is an equal amount of space or inside of something. So let's take these 2 really good squares, and the first one I'm going to partition into halves, so 2 parts. So 1/2 here and 1/2 here, and then the next one I'm going to partition into fourths, so 4 parts, 4 equal parts. Okay, and what you can see is this half right here is actually equal area or equal space to 2/4. So same space, 1/2 and 2/4. Okay? So equal area is parts or shapes that have the same amount of space in an area. Okay? And finally, we have a 3rd vocabulary word. It's called unit fraction. So unit fraction is a fraction that represents just one part of a whole. Okay? Unit is 1. So unit fraction is 1 part of a whole. So for example, if we have our whole, so 1, okay, and I were to divide it into, let's say, 10 little pieces. Okay? If I were to make 10 little pieces of this whole, then just 1 piece is a unit fraction. Okay? So a unit fraction is a fraction, 1/10, that represents 1 part of the whole. Okay? Alright, I hope that you have all your terms. Keep on working hard. Good job!